a business presentation of Mridula Kulkarni, who is representing Sahaj Fitness and Wellness Studio. Mridula is a fitness and wellness trainer. What exactly she is doing, she will definitely explain. Let me just give you a small brief on her. शी इज अ फिटनेस ट्रेनर. जो भी पर्सनल नीड्स होते हैं उसके ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लेते हैं फॉर वर्कआउट सेशंस, गर्ल्स एंड वुमेन्स ओनली. योगा भी करवाते हैं. फॉर वेलनेस she is doing some consulting sessions also. Or all her programs are related to health, related to mental health specifically. एंजाइटी, फियर, फोबिया जो होता है उसके लिए होता है, प्लस वेलनेस एंड सक्सेस ऑफ रिलेशनशिप. So let's have a brief presentation of Mridula. All the best, Mridula, for your presentation.
Thank you. Hello.
Yes, Mridula, go ahead.
Good morning. I'm Mridula Kulkarni, owner of Sahaj Fitness and Wellness Studio. I welcome you all in this business presentation. Sahaj Fitness and Wellness Studio was established in January 2013. Its mission statement is to provide focused, intelligent fitness coaching, counseling for our clients who demand more effective and efficient way to be happier and healthier. Next, please. About me, I'm fitness trainer as well as NLP mind and wellness master practitioner and coach. I'm also a council member of WSECA Gujarat Mental Health Council. Next, please. I have done BSc Physics and MCM, and I worked as a lecturer for 3 years at post graduation level and 3 years for graduation level. But I have deep interest in psychology and fitness, so I started learning yoga, panchakarma, Narayan Reiki, pranic healing, nutrition and dietetics, NLP, subconscious reprinting, and now I am working with. Uh, Now I am practicing as a fitness trainer and NLP practitioner and counselor from last 7 years. My YouTube channels and FB page are with same name, Sahaj Fitness and Wellness Studio. My website is sahajfitnessstudio.com. My Google review 4.9. I have uploaded and uploading many courses on Udemy learning website. Next, please. Before going to my two verticals are fitness and wellness. Next, please. Before going to my fitness plan of my business, we'll take a quick view of some basics of fitness in order to understand the need to include various types of exercises in the fitness sessions. Physical fitness is not just being slim, it is the ability of body to function efficiently and effectively. Components, there are components of physical fitness that are health related components, skill related components, physiological components. Next, please. Health related components are endurance, that is ability of body parts to work efficiently for long period of time. These are of two types: cardiovascular endurance, muscle endurance. Muscle strength is ability to move and lift objects or bear pressure for long time. Flexibility and body composition. Body composition, here I'll give you an example. Someone can have better cardiovascular endurance and more body fat as compared to someone with low body fat and weak cardiovascular endurance. Next, please. Skill related components are agility, that is ability to quickly change direction, balance, coordination, speed, power, reaction time. Physiological components are metabolic rate or state, bone integrity. Here in our fitness session, we cover maximum areas of fitness with the help of diet plans as well as combination of workouts like aerobics and step workouts, mild weight trainings, cardio workouts, ball workouts, chair workouts, yogasana and stretching workouts, interval trainings, circuit trainings, and many more. To cover mental fitness, we offer pranayam, gratitude, meditation, chakra healing, affirmations, personal counseling, and many more. Features of our online fitness sessions are, as I have discussed it earlier, we offer various workout styles. We offer systematic, well-planned, personal need-based sessions. We offer diet plans, personal attention, monthly track of measurement and weight, and if changes are required, we do accordingly in diet plan and exercises. We offer free sessions to discuss different physical and mental issues. We cover mental as well as physical fitness with 80-20 rule. That is 80% time for physical fitness and 20% time for mental fitness. Next, please. For free demo session, please call on 9099041153. In wellness, we offer NLP-based counseling session. Uh, it includes, it helps to remove past disturbing memories, to remove disturbing inner sounds, gives relief in physical pain, allergies, depression, and many psychosomatic issues. Also, wealth-related issues and relationship issues. We offer two workshops of 5 days. First is memory mastery at the rate of subconscious re-imprinting, that is with the help of NLP, exclusively by me. Our free webinar is on 30th January, that is Saturday, and time is 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. The core benefits of this workshop are to understand the concept of unlimited memory, how to learn following things quickly, that is words, numbers, authors and their books, chemical reactions, diagrams, nations and capitals, 300 years calendar, formulas and tables, and many more things. We also cover goal setting, fear of exam, disturbing behaviors, we also cover important parenting tips and types, and many more benefits. For more information, please call 9099041153. We offer next workshop of 5 days, Garbha Dharana and Garbha Sanskar at the rate of subconscious reimprinting, exclusively by me and my friend Megha Sharma. Our free webinar for it is on 16 January at 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Next, please. Core benefits of the workshop are, it solves following problems with NLP. Problem while conceiving. Uh, there may be a case that the couple is fit physically, but they are having problems with conceiving due to some psychological reasons. With NLP, those problems can be solved easily. It also helps in removing disturbing past memories. It also helps in removing disturbing inner voices, in handling unwanted stress. It also covers how to get universal blessings for you, yourself and your baby. It offers many relaxation techniques. Also, we will cover a relaxation on the spot also. How to get zone of wonderful mother for your child. Different types of visualizations. Inner laugh and inner play with your child, and inner wisdom. For more information, please call on the given number. Testimonials by my client. Next, please. Next, please. Next, please. Next, please. Next, please. My ideal references are for fitness sessions, ladies with all age groups willing to be fit. For counseling session, people who are suffering from mental and physical issues. For memory workshop, students and parents who want to improve memory 10 times more. The couples who do not have physical issues but still not conceiving. For Garbha Sanskara workshop, pregnant ladies with their families. For more inquiries, please call me on this number 9099041153. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mridula. It was a really nice presentation. What we will do is we will take the question answers after Datesa's presentation.